So obviously we had those exchanges in FIFA Mobile, those coins exchanges. If you haven't done them yet, you should 100% do them. But you probably already done all of them, and because of that, a lot of prices have gone up for the cards, but they're gonna start decreasing. Some of the cards have already started decreasing, so I'm gonna talk about that market crash in FIFA Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So if you go into the into the market right now, you will see that some of the 110, 109 overall cards have started dropping in price, even though they were going up, of course. So for example, there is Waller right here. People are trying to sell them. Obviously, some people are trying to buy them once again, but he has dropped a little bit on the left bottom side. As you can see, he's gone up a lot from 12 mil. He's now 20 mil, but he is dropping a little bit. There is gonna be a big market crash very soon. So I think if you got like high overall cards in your team, I think this is the time to sell them. If you want to get as much coins as possible. As you know from my last video, I sold my team. I sold all of my high overall players, and whenever those coin exchanges dropped, people started to buy players because they all had a lot of coins. People started buying a lot of players, which meant that the price of these cards have gone up. All of the cards. Javi Simons, there as you can see, Javi Simons is still going up in price. You can go and sell him quite easily. There are some of the 109 overall cards as well. There is Otamendi, Eder Militao. As you can see, went up from 5 million coins to 10, 11 million coins right now, and people are trying to buy him as well. So some cards are still going up in price. In your region, these cards might be a lot more than in my region. It's just that my region prices are a lot lower than other regions. I think I'm in Eastern Europe, and if you are in like Indian subcontinent, I think their prices are a lot more. But that doesn't really matter that much. Whenever you are in the world, some of these cards are still increasing, but some of them are crashing down. And yeah, but every single card, very soon, I think, are gonna drop either way. So make sure to, if you go any high overall players, make sure to look at their prices every single day. And whenever you see that a lot of people are not trying to buy those cards anymore, I think that's the time you should sell them. So for example, you should try selling Waller right now, because a lot of people are trying to a lot of people are trying to buy him anymore. Marquez, like some people are trying to buy him, some people are trying to sell him. This is the same. This is the thing with pretty much all of these cards. If you go like 109 overall Mbappe right now, I think you should sell those UCL cards as well. And if you want any investments, I don't think it's worth it to invest in any of these cards. Let me know down in the comment section how many exchanges have you done for the for coins as well. If you've done all of them, that's very nice. If you haven't done all of them, make sure to buy players to go and do all of them. I think it's still worth it to do those coin exchanges. But yeah, as I said, if you go any high overall players right now, do not sell them straight away. If they go some like Victor Baya type of people trying to sell them and buy them, then I think you should sell these type of cards. As you can see, Baya has dropped a little bit in price. But if they are still in demand, just like Eder Militao, I think you should not sell them yet. You should just save them in your club for a little bit and track their prices. And whenever you see that no lot of people are trying to buy them anymore, I think that's the time you should go out and sell them. Let me know how much coins do you have right now, though. As you can see, I've got 470 million coins. I've sold my whole team, every single one of my high overall players that were going for a lot of coins. And right now I've got 126 overall team. It went down to 124 for some reason. After I auto built it, I shouldn't have done that, most likely. But yeah, still, my team is still quite high overall for how cheap my team is, because Pele is 250 mil. I can't sell him, of course. Other than Pele, my team is 50 million coins. So that's quite interesting that my team is still 126 overall. But let me know your team overall. Let me know how much coins you have. But as I said, pretty much we're gonna see a market crash very soon. I think this is the time to track your players, track your cards, and try to sell them at the best price. If you want to build a team right now, I don't think it's the best time to build a team, because the price of these cards are going up. All of the prices have gone up in price in the last week because of the exchanges, because of the coin exchanges, as I said. But whenever they start dropping, I think that's the best time to build your team. Not right now, because if you saw, a lot of the cards are a lot more than they were last week. Cable was 15 million coins. Now he's 25 mil. He has dropped a little bit in price. These type of cards might fluctuate a bit. They might go up a little bit, they might go down, but I think at the end there's gonna be a big market crash quite soon. Not like in 2 or 3 days, but in 2 weeks I think max there's gonna be a huge market crash. So if you go any high overall players, I'll track their prices as I said and try to sell them for as much coins as possible. As I said though, let me know your team overall. My team overall is 126. I still want to get my 126 overall team. How did it go down to 124? Right, I'm gonna try to build my team back. I'll go. Who do I have? I had him. That's why. Right, let's go ahead and put him indoor, and him there. I mean, I still need to upgrade my team a lot. That's definitely for sure. But it's still 125. I don't understand how it's still 125. Do I have any subs? I don't have any subs. How was it 126? I don't quite remember. I can't lie. I don't quite remember how it was 126. But yeah, it's 125 now. It's 125 now. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep this team. Very soon, I'm gonna do a very big team upgrade. Hopefully you're excited for that. Let me know down in the comment section if you are excited. I definitely am. I got 470 million coins. The only player that is probably gonna stay in this team is Pele, and maybe my central backs as well. My central backs, Rudiger and Marquinhos, are probably gonna stay because they're still quite high overall, 109 overalls. And I don't really need another central back. Like if I get 110 overall central back, this is obviously a little bit better, but only 1 overall is not really that great, that big of a difference. I'm gonna get new right back, left back, new midfield, central mids definitely, new left wing, right wing, and striker as well. This Crespo is 108 overall, obviously not awful overall, but his card is just too bad. I need to get a new striker. I need to get a new goalkeeper as well. I made a video about Foster and I just saved him in my team until I get a new goalkeeper. Let me know which goalkeeper do you think I should get. I don't know which one to get at this point for the goalkeeper spot. I'm gonna try to check. Should I get Donnarumma? Donnarumma is definitely not bad. As you can see with Donnarumma as well, he was about 25 mil. He's now 30 mil, and his price might fluctuate. I think that's a good time to sell Donnarumma as well. If you want to invest in any of the cards, as I said, do not invest in any of them. I don't think it's worth it. If you really want to though, you should invest. The only cards that should invest right now is RTTF cards, Road to the Final cards. Not someone like Sommer, because he is probably not gonna go through, right? Bayern are probably not gonna go through. But if you want to invest in Ederson, that's not awful. Not right now though. As you can see, his price is 63 million coins. It's not worth it to invest in those right now. I still wouldn't invest in RTTF cards, but if you want to invest in any of them, I think you should invest in those Road to the Final cards who have a big chance to going through to the next round. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna be the end. Obviously, we've got the UCL as well. Make sure to claim all your UCL match keys, play the event, get as many UCL points as possible. I go UCL match 7 and 4. I'll take 7. Let's go and open that pack straight away then. 100 plus overall player pack. I can't lie, I have not been playing this event that much lately. I haven't been completing the quest as well. I did complete the championship, of course, but that's pretty much all I've been doing. I haven't even. This was the first thing I claimed for this week's milestone, for 106 plus overall milestone. So as you can see, I'm not really that engaged in this event anymore. But I do want to get 110 overall Lampard out of the way. So I should start doing this. I should start playing these skill games and matches. But I don't know. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.